Workshop tools. Hello and welcome. Today you will learn the names of common workshop tools in English. So by the end of this video, you should be able to name all these tools with the correct pronunciation. Come on, you can do it. Let's start. The first two words we need to learn are, of course, workshop and tools. Workshop tools. Work, shop, tools. Workshop tools. Workshop tools. Adjustable spanner or monkey wrench. Just to bow. Span adjustable spanner. Monkey wrench. Monkey wrench. Adjustable spanner or monkey wrench. C-clamp. 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 Crowbar. 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 Extension lead or extension cord. Extension. Extension. Lead. Cord. Extension lead or extension cord. Hacksaw. 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 The next one has different names. Hex keys, hex wrenches, Allen keys, Allen wrenches. Hex, Allen keys, wrench is wrenches. So, hex keys, hex wrenches, Allen keys, or Allen wrenches. Hammer. 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 Nail. Nail. Hammer and nail. Hand drill. Hand drill. Hand drill. Bit. Bit. Hand drill and bit. Handsaw. Hand saw. Handsaw. Handsaw. L square or square ruler. L square. Square. Rule. L square or square ruler. Measuring tape or tape measure. Measuring tape. Tape. Measure. Measuring tape or tape measure. Paintbrush and paint roller. Paint brush. Paintbrush. Paint roll. Paint roller. Paintbrush and paint roller. pipe wrench, pipe wrench, pipe wrench, pipe wrench. Pliers, 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 pliers. Screwdrivers, screw, drive, screwdrivers. Screws, screws, screwdrivers and screws. Spanner, span, spanner. Nut and bolt, nut, bolt, nut and bolt. And washer or washer, wash, washer, or wash, washer. So spanner, nut and bolt, and washer or washer. Spirit level, spirit level, spirit level, spirit level. Step ladder or step ladder, step ladder, step ladder or step ladder, step ladder, step ladder or step ladder. Toolbox, tool box, toolbox, toolbox. Utility knife or utility knife, utility, utility or utility, utility knife. So utility knife or utility knife. And the last one, vise, vise, vise. Okay, workshop tools in English checked. Thanks for watching.